going to work on moving these wood chips, spread them out. They're fermenting. Hope to do it before it starts raining. So it's raining in the forecast today, later on. Sticks. And you see the steam coming off of the pile, fermenting right now. So it's a little warm. Like Christmas. Oh, pine needles smoldering. Here's the progress I made today. This first part right here used to be drainage for the pool, and so there was no gravel there, so it was a mud pit. The gravel here was real thin, and then it went to nothing till the other end, so we went ahead and put chips across here, and eventually we'll gravel it. A little rough right now because there's kind of some big sticks in there. I made a mess of the driveway here, the road. Okay, this part right here is the neighbors, and the chips down over the top of the grass grows, the weeds. We end up mowing it, and a couple times a year. It's not watered, so it's just a spring when the weeds grow. I spread this out quite a ways, kind of cover up these weeds. Less mowing for me. To the end of this lane, into the garden area here. Some bigger sticks here. And then in front of Doc's Ford, it's broken down here. Another side too. I can't pick up this truck with the tractor, so I'm going to have to take it apart. The truck does not roll very far. It rolls sideways. After you erect it, yeah, it's broken steering parts. Hopefully we can get on that when weather gets a little bit better. Get that out of our yard. Use the parts for other projects. Anyway, that's as far as I got with the wood chips today. Hopefully we get another load.